Welcome, guys. This is Richmond. I'll be presenting on behalf of the Great Minds Group. Did you know that 64% of imported antimalarial medicines in Nigeria at some point were regarded as fake? Now, in our research, we are able to obtain that the issue of counterfeit antimalarial drugs in Nigeria is particularly alarming. So we are going to focus on this particular global challenge to ensure that we develop a solution that is going to help pregnant women as well as their unborn children obtain quality healthcare. Assume now we have a lady here by the name Omoshalewa who particularly wanted to access a reliable way to test her malaria drugs. She wants to protect her baby and ensure her treatment is safe. So what Omoshalewa did, she took herself to a local kiosk and she obtained these drugs. But at the end of the day, she did not recover. So this is a particular user story illustrating the extent of the problem. During our web research, we were able to obtain that the issue of counterfeit antimalarials in Nigeria is particularly limited because of issues to do with data reliability. We have underreporting bias, attribution uncertainty, and the data age and heterogeneity problems. Also, in this particular research, we're able to focus on particular sources which are actually reliable, that are going to help us to identify the extent of this problem. We also discovered that NAFDAC in 2011 rolled out that 64% of antimalarials in Nigeria were actually substandard. You can imagine the extent of this problem. So our solution is to develop a portable drug analyzer, which is going to help pregnant women detect fake or substandard drugs within seconds. It is going to display the results on a simple mobile app interface, whereby the user will be able to understand whether the drug is genuine or counterfeit. This is a sample of our solution. The user is basically going to have these screens displayed on the medical drug analyzer, depending on the stage of use. We have the error report on that screen, and then we have the status, the verified, and then the user can also choose to update the settings. So in addressing this, we are going to ensure that the users can have a way they identify fake antimalarial drugs, and also we can basically ensure the users have limited stress during their identification of fake drugs by simply scanning the QR code. In our recommendation, we are going to ensure that the scan button is larger enough and we improve the feedback that the user can basically understand the authentic, counterfeit, or inconclusive drugs based on color codes. Assuming we get funding for our project, we are going to ensure we develop a good solution and put it as a solution that is going to be adopted in the rural Nigeria. We're also going to partner with local healthcare providers to ensure that this mission is achieved. So someone would ask, why are we developing this solution? Our aim is to basically ensure that the pocket-sized scanner can save lives in Nigeria and build healthier communities. In particular, counterfeit malaria drugs are stealing the safety and future of our mothers and babies. But with a simple pocket-sized analyzer, we can put the power of protection directly in the hands of every family. The solution gives us a real chance to stop preventable deaths and restore trust in the medicines meant to heal. Together, we can turn a deadly threat into a story of hope, safety, and saved lives. Join us in bringing this pocket-sized drug analyzer to communities across Nigeria. Partner with us, fund this initiative so that every pregnant woman can trust the medicine she takes. So, no mother should lose her life. Absolutely no mother should lose her life or the life of her child because the medicine she trusted was fake. Thank you.